Okay, so we have an ant colony. You see them going under there. We've disturbed the colony. I hope those are ants, not termites. Because I'm going to put the rock back because I feel bad because they have babies. So these are, you see, these are them on the sleeve. So here is the entrance to the colony. This is their reaction, is to move everyone. So I'm going to leave them alone and put this back so they could come back out of. So this is the first, then they go back. That's probably how humanity lost fur, by going underground. We were probably first cultivated for food. So, vaccines.